Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about what are the necessary conditions for two straight lines to be coincident. Here in the diagram, I have shown two straight lines which are parallel, straight line A and straight line B. Now if you think about it, for these two straight lines to be coincident, one condition is that they have to have same slope, meaning their angle of inclination should be equal, and also their y-intercepts have to be equal. Otherwise, they will become two different straight lines. Now if they have to coincide, then their slopes have to be equal and their y-intercepts also have to be equal. Now for each of these equations, let's try to convert them into y equals m times x plus c format. In the y equals mx plus c format, m stands for the slope of the line and c stands for the y-intercept. Now let's try to convert the first equation. The first equation is a sub 1 times x plus b sub 1 times y plus c sub 1 is equal to 0. And if we convert that into y equals mx plus c format, it's going to look like this. And here I have highlighted the slope and the y-intercept of the first equation. So the slope here is negative a sub 1 over b sub 1 and the y-intercept is again negative c sub 1 over b sub 1. Now let's convert the second equation into the similar form. For the second equation, again I have highlighted the slope and the y-intercept. The slope here is negative a sub 2 over b sub 2 and the y-intercept is negative c sub 2 over b sub 2. Now for the two straight lines to be coincident, we can clearly see that their slopes have to be equal and also their y-intercepts have to be equal. Now if the y-intercepts are not equal, then there could be infinite number of parallel straight lines where the slopes will be equal, but the y-intercept not being equal, the lines will not be coincident. Now for the two lines to be coincident, we have to make sure that the slopes are equal and also we have to make sure that the y-intercepts are equal. So from here, let's now equate the slopes first and see what we get. So now if we equate the slopes, we are going to get something like this. A sub 1 over a sub 2 is equal to b sub 1 over b sub 2. So that is one condition that we find by comparing the slopes. Now let's also equate the y-intercepts and see what we get. By equating the y-intercepts, we get b sub 1 over b sub 2 is equal to c sub 1 over c sub 2. So now if we combine both of them, what we are going to get? Well, as you can see that the ratio of a sub 1 to a sub 2 is equal to b sub 1 to b sub 2. Similarly, b sub 1 to b sub 2 is also equal to c sub 1 to c sub 2. So from here, finally we get the necessary condition for the two straight lines to be coincident. The condition is that a sub 1 over a sub 2 has to be equal to b sub 1 over b sub 2. Again, that has to be equal to c sub 1 over c sub 2. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.